Today Kitten is very happy because Dad Cat taken him to school for his first day.
The bus will be coming soon.
Goodbye, Dad. Oh wow! How many kittens are there in the bus?
Dad Cat is working very hard at the police department. The kitten was happy after school and went to bus stop. Finally bus arrived and he boarded the bus. The bus passed through an area where the gang of criminal monkeys had already occupied.
Oh God, what is happening on the road?
Oh no, the monkeys gang even hijacked the school bus.
Oh God, please save us.
The monkeys took the bus driver off the bus and took the bus away. The bus driver called the kittens' parents to inform them that all the kittens been kidnapped.
Oh my God!
The father cat quickly went to police station to investigate the kitten kidnappers.
Oh God, where will this take us?
The father cat and the police team went harbor to rescue the kitten, but only the kitten's backpack was left there.
I'm being taken to the harbor. Dad, please save me.
The cruel monkey pay your sins.
That cat police quickly captured the vicious monkey and rescue all the kittens.
Thank you very much, dear Dad.